Beats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial, and today we are going to be learning how to make a dirty south style melody. So our focus for today is working on that dirty south gritty style trap melodies. We're going to create a body of melodies, at least maybe 4, and we're going to listen to how they sound. Now when it comes to dirty south and dirty south type melodies, you're looking for the grittiest type of rhythms, and basically you're looking for very dark yet fast-paced melodies that'll lay good on some real trap drums. So let's go ahead and start with that. So my tempo's at 140. I'm going to go to Nexus, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some pizzicatos just to warm up. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do this. So let's start with some pizzis. I'm probably going to end up changing the sound too, so just bear with me. So we're going to start off with some very simple rhythms, but we're going to make sure it sounds gritty. Because when it comes to the dirty south style beats and dirty south style melodies, you're looking for that gritty trap sound. So So as you see, we got like a little pizzy going, and I might mess around with it. Now let's add a piano. We're going to add a dark style piano to match that pizzicato. With the counter melodies, you're starting to hear that grittiness with each melody. So really we're aiming for that real gritty dirty south. So just pay attention to that as I add more to these melodies. would say like this type of dirty south style beat or melody is more so Atlanta style, because Atlanta does a lot of pizzicatos, a lot of snap and roll and leads like this. So just pay attention. And we'll loop it some more so it won't just be a simple 3-bar, it'll be extended. As you can see, making these type of melodies are pretty easy. But like I said, we're aiming for simplicity and we're aiming for that grittiness. So I'm looping it everything to the 9 so it'll be extended. And then at the 7 to the 9, we're going to change this up. I did the same thing for the last chord on the piano melody. We changed a little bit and add a little bit to the variation so it won't sound the same. And I'll play from top just to show you guys. Rhythm. Now I'm gonna add one more, maybe 2 more things, but let's start with the first thing I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna add a hit to give it some more of that grit. And as soon as I can find it, so let's see. Here, and I'm gonna go to. So I'm gonna add like a little brass hit that's in one of my sample packs. To give it that real old school trap feel. So let's hear it. Change it, so we're not gonna use D sharp. We're gonna use C sharp and D, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna add one more whistle, and it's going to be a higher pitched whistle, and then that'll complete our dirty self melodies. Let's see what we got. That's basically it for our dirty south melodies. Very nice and easy and concise to make. As you can see, it only takes 4 actual sounds and a little sound, a little sample sound to actually complete it, and it could be even less than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split these by channel. I'm going to lay these out real quick. And let's hear everything real quick. That, my friends, is how you make dirty self melodies in FL Studio. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more BeatNerd101 tutorials. And if you haven't already, get your hands on the BeatNerd101 video course. We have over 10 plus videos with over 150 minutes of information that shows you how to make beats from scratch in FL Studio. You can tap into it. You can listen. Once you purchase it, you can watch it anywhere. You can watch it on your phone. You can watch it on your computer. You can tap into it any type of place, anytime, anywhere. And you can watch and learn how to make beats from scratch, just like how I show you guys on the YouTube channel. Make sure you get your hands on that. We have a special deal on that for right now. It's on sale for $50. It's going to be on sale for a little bit. We're going to keep that running for a little bit, but we want you guys to really tap in and actually check it out so you can guys get your hands on the product. So make sure you get your hands on the BeatNerd101 video course. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And if there's anything that you want to break down FL Studio, please let me know below in the chat. And also, send me emails if you need any other inquiries, and I'll be sure to get right with you. That's all I got to say. Rashad Beats out. BeatNerd101 out. Peace.